Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to factory reset any Android phone. So let's get right into it. To reset any phone, just head over to the settings, application, and then search for reset, and then just go to reset. And here goes under the general management section, there is an option of reset. Head over to it, and if you scroll down, you will see the option of factory reset in right here. And if you want to do it, just head over to it. As I don't want to factory reset my phone, I'm just not heading over to it. If you want to do it, just feel free to go and then just follow the steps they show to you. Yeah, hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.